a timeless being. I was probably. Peel and pop to open. Peel the entire wrapper here. Press spoon against the seam. That's it. Okay. This is very popular in North America from what I understand. This is a, what is this called? I see so many TikToks involving this. This is a, what do you even call this? Yeah, it's a biscuit thingy. It was going to happen eventually. And then, has it been at room temp for too long? I only just took it out, I feel like. No, maybe not. It's been a few minutes. This might be a bit related to the Americans' obsession with things in cans. Every time I see a video of one of these things, they're exploding in someone's hands. At least it wasn't that dramatic. Yeah, it still scared the bejeebers out of me, but you know. Other than that, how long am I supposed to bake this for? Wait. It said 375. For non-stick cookie sheet. Oh, okay. What? No, that still makes no sense. Okay, fine. 350. Okay. Separate, place, bake for 17 to 19 minutes. So we're going to be doing a lot less than that. Okay. Cool. I know how stuff works. Sort of. Okay, so we're not actually going to be making croissants. This is supposed to make croissants, but we're not making croissants. Where we're going, we don't need croissants. This is a lot bigger than I was anticipating. Okay. Oh, ancient Pillsbury scroll, what is your wisdom? I thought I switched this to a top camera. I apologize. This is interesting. Croissant. Oh, croissants are awesome, though. They are. This is not... This is the most internet thing. Just because we're not making a croissant doesn't mean we hate croissants. I want to be clear. But in this case, we're not making croissant. We are going to be making some strips to turn into Ekans. It is supposed to be sweet, from what I understand. I actually don't know if it's... I don't know. Can I smell it? I don't know. I don't know, actually. It's certainly something. I don't know. But I'm not going to be making croissants. I'm going to be making a bunch of rolls. And we are going to be rolling them up into circles and baking our little rings, which are going to be the Ekans for our Ekans hoop roll. I am not trying to wave my knife around threateningly. I will stop. I will stop. Let's wait a second. What? Okay. Cool. I guess we're a little more zoomed in than I anticipated. Okay. Peel it first. What do you mean peel it first? Peel it? Maybe because it's not exactly biscuits that it's so explodey. I know that the Pillsbury things are just kind of hashtag like that. Oh my gosh. How do you make sure you actually slice through it? Oh, like that. Okay. So I've unrolled it, I've unfurled it, but we're not... Yeah, I don't know what I should peel over here. Maybe I will. Oh, it's the yeast. Oh. It wasn't too explodey. Also, maybe I will make some croissants. I don't know how many Ekans I actually need to make. Okay, just about the cardboard we're talking. Okay, so my idea would be... Oh, okay, these are falling apart a little bit. But the idea is to take each of these and there's not as much space as I was anticipating. I want to... How do I do this? I need another surface. Okay, I guess I don't have the space to do what I want to do just yet. Okay, that's fine. All right, some of these are going to be thick. Some of these are going to be thinner. That's all right. I need a different work surface. I need a bigger work surface. So we're going for this. I gotta move everything else a little further away. Let's see. Yeah, Jess has seen the real face of evil. TikTok and their mattresses in a bag. So now she's like, this is child's play, essentially. Which, I mean, fair. Okay, how do we... I want this to be a nice, like, donut. I don't know how to squish it the way I need. And they should have about this clearance. So maybe... Yeah, the sofa in a bag are interesting. Yeah, bake until golden brown makes sense. Are you truly an adult if you don't get crushed by a mattress exploding out in its bag? I really hate compacted things that shouldn't be compacted. A bag should be shaped properly. Okay, well, okay, so this one's a little... You know what? If you're gonna be like this, is this gonna be easier?